All of Australia's Big Four banks have moved quickly to pass on the Reserve Bank of Australia's sixth consecutive interest rate rise. Commonwealth Bank and ANZ were the latest to announce they would pass on the 25 basis point rate rise to customers, just hours after the RBA revealed the nation's cash rate would rise from 2.35% to 2.60%. This brings them into line with Westpac and NAB. Both announced earlier on Tuesday that their home loan interest rates would increase by 0.25% in the coming weeks. Read more. RBA hikes interest rates for sixth consecutive month. Changes will come into effect on October 14 for Commonwealth Bank, ANZ and NAB customers and on October 18 for Westpac clients. ANZ lift variable interest rates for borrowers and savers and said the rate increase would be passed on to borrowers in a couple of days earlier to borrowers. The 0.25% lift will take effect on ANZ Plus Save accounts from October 12. We know our customers have been impacted differently by the cost of living and rate changes in recent months, ANZ Group Executive Australia Retail Miley Carnegie said in a statement. Our experienced teams, as well as tools like our home loan repayment calculator and free home loan check-in, are available to customers to help them better understand these changes. Customers who may be facing difficulties are strongly encouraged to reach out to us as soon as they can so we can discuss personalized options to support them through this time. Commonwealth Bank confirms rate rises on loans and savings. While it's not great news for borrowers, the rate rise does benefit those Commonwealth Bank customers with savings accounts. The bank announced on Tuesday evening it would pass on the 25% Reserve Bank rate rise to all home loan borrowers from October 14. As of that date, those with NetBank Saver, Goal Saver and Youth Saver accounts will get more than the standard rate rise. While NetBank Saver's standard variable interest rate will increase by 0.25% per year, their 5-month introductory variable rate will increase by 0.70% per annum. Goal Saver and Youth Saver accounts with bonus interest rates will increase by 0.30% per annum. Bank also announced an increase for term deposits, including their 12-month term deposit, by 1.35%. We are committed to helping our customers navigate the current environment, including through further increases to the interest rates across a number of our deposit products, such as increasing our 18-month term deposit special to 3.70%. PA, Angus Sullivan, Group Executive of Retail Banking, said in a statement. Westpac passes on rate rise to borrowers and savers. There was a silver lining to the bad news for homeowners, as Westpac also announced a number of increases for deposit customers. This includes the Westpac Life Total Variable Rate increasing to 2.6%, the Spend and Save offer for 18 to 29-year-olds rising to 3.75% and the eSaver Variable Rate increasing to 2.55%. Westpac's chief executive for consumer and business banking, Krista Bruin, said the company's home loan customers remain in good shape and continue to make regular mortgage repayments, meaning the bank believes passing on the rate rise won't be detrimental to the hip pocket. We know that many of our customers are looking at their finances to help manage changes to their household budgets, he said. We're continuing to monitor the situation and bolster our customer support teams so we can help customers navigate the evolving rate cycle. Explained, why are Australia's interest rates still rising? NAB hikes home loans, no news for savers. Meanwhile, NAB also announced its home loan interest rate would hike by 0.25% from October 14. No announcements about savings and term deposit rate rises were made by the bank. NAB Group Executive for Personal Banking Rachel Slade said if customers are concerned by yet another rate rise, they have full support from the company. Our home loan specialists can help with a financial health check to make sure you're on the best rate for your situation, and our NAB Assist team is on standby for those who need additional help, she said. The best first step is a conversation with us so we can find the best way to look after you. The earlier the better. Customers with ANZ and Commonwealth Bank are still waiting to hear whether the banks will pass on the rate rise. Read more. Elon Musk sparks backlash from Ukraine with unsolicited peace plan. The consecutive rate rises by the RBA are an attempt to battle spiraling inflation. Governor Philip Lowe said the 0.25% rate rise, which is lower than the previous 0.50% 50% rises, was due to the rapid increase in the past 6 months. Savers can finally generate some income, although the rate rises come as another hit to borrowers. Experts say the rate rises are good news for savers as big banks pass on the cash rate hike to deposit accounts. The silver lining of rate hikes is that savers can now finally generate some income without having to put their capital in a volatile stock market, Canstar's Effie Zahos said. Banks are significantly improving their savings interest rate offers. Some savers can now get a 4% return on their money in the bank.